Tonight's clash is not another league game. This is battle for the top spot. Both Gujarat Titans and Sunrisers Hyderabad are sitting on 14 points, and the winner tonight will take a giant step toward playoff qualification. Good evening, cricket fans. Tonight we witness one of the biggest clashes of IPL 2026. Gujarat Titans versus Sunrisers Hyderabad at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. Two teams, same points, explosive batting versus disciplined bowling, and massive playoff implications. Who takes control tonight? Let's break it all down. This match could decide the top two race in the IPL points table. GT and SRH have both 7 wins from 11 matches, and the winner tonight moves to 16 points. Ahmedabad has traditionally favored Gujarat Titans, and interestingly, SRH have never beaten GT at this venue. Gujarat Titans are playing classic smart T20 cricket. Shubman Gill and Sai Sudarshan have been the backbone of their batting lineup, providing stability at the top. And then comes the biggest weapon, Rashid Khan. If the Ahmedabad pitch slows down slightly, Rashid and Sai Kishore could completely control the middle overs. GT's bowling unit has been their biggest strength this season. On the other side, SRH are probably the most explosive batting team in IPL 2026. Travis Head, Abhishek Sharma, Ishan Kishan, Hendrik Klaasen, this lineup can destroy any bowling attack on their day. SRH have crossed 200 multiple times this season, and when they get momentum in the power play, they become almost unstoppable. But tonight's challenge is just different. They will face one of the best bowling attacks on a surface that may offer grip and turn. The Narendra Modi Stadium usually produces high scoring games, but reports suggest tonight's pitch could be a black soil surface with some assistance for slower bowlers and spinners. That means variation will be crucial. Batters who attack blindly may struggle once the ball gets older, so don't be surprised if this becomes more tactical than expected. Shubman Gill versus Pat Cummins. Gill's timing against Cummins' hard lengths. Massive battle up front. Travis Head versus Rashid Khan. If Rashid removes Head early, GT instantly gain control. Klaasen versus GT death bowling. Klaasen finishing power could decide the final 5 overs. GT need to take wickets in the power play, slow SRH in middle overs, avoiding giving Klaasen a late launch pad. SRH need to attack inside the first 6 overs, put pressure on Rashid early, break Gill Sudarshan partnership quickly. This feels like a battle between SRH batting firepower and GT's bowling intelligence. If the pitch stays flat, SRH become dangerous. But if the surface grips even slightly, Gujarat Titans may hold the advantage at home. Expect a thriller tonight. So who are you backing tonight, GT or SRH? Drop your predictions in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more IPL 2026 analysis.